We now invite Mr. GVK Reddy, GVK Group.
Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, distinguished personalities on the dais, my industry colleagues, and friends and ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure and feel honored to share this platform to congratulate the Gujarat government for their continued obsession to lead industrialization in Gujarat and to remain as the forerunner among states in India known for attracting investors. It is every businessman's dream to be in Gujarat state, and rightly so this state is called the most happening state of India. Gujarat state has been a model state to attract investment under the beacon of Sri Narendra Modi ji. And to tell you one small example, first time we have taken appointment to see him and we wanted to give a presentation of our background, and also we wanted to give presentation to take up some business in Gujarat. To our surprise, he was more informed, more knowledgeable, and repeatedly started telling and advising, guiding us what business to take up, when to take up, where to take up, where to collaborate, where to get the raw material, how to start the business. It was really surprising, and not only the business here, and is an excellent advisor in the business sector. We at GVK are very happy to be part of Gujarat's efforts in leading from the front and wish to join hands with the government of Gujarat. We are planning to implement certain projects in power, port and highway projects in the state of Gujarat. And also, you see, everybody is coming here for the summit to create wealth. But one thing I would like to bring to your kind notice, not only the Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister, inviting people for create wealth, he is very, very particular in creating health. I tell you, GVK EMRI, Emergency Medical Research Institute, it is a PPP, Public-Private Partnership. We are lucky to have this in the state with the help of the Chief Minister and his guidance. And this has been here last 3 years, that is 108 ambulance service. And we have about 500 ambulances at present and 2,600 employees. And there are getting every day 11,000 to 12,000 calls and attending 200 to 300 emergencies every day. If you telephone 108, within 10 to 15 minutes, it will be at your service. This is a free service, and any part of the state, which is covering nearly 55 million people of Gujaratis here, and this year I think they are going to expand to 500, maybe next year to 600. So far, last 3 years, 20 lakhs emergencies and 86,000 lives are saved and 16,000 deliveries in the ambulance, not in the hospital. And pregnancy cases, 6 lakhs attended. I would like to mention, this service is for the poorest of the poor. And this is an excellent service. Apart from creating the wealth for the state, he is creating the health for the people.